Hello my dear students, warm welcome to SPHS Chandapura Teachers channel. I hope all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about 9th standard science chapter 2 is matter around us pure. Is matter around us pure. Okay, today in this session we are going to discuss about what is mixture and its types. So before starting actual lesson, I would like to tell you something. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you the most successful person in the world. So all my dear children, don't give up these two things. Your self-confidence and your hard works. Keep work hard, you will get good result in your life and you will become a successful person in the world. Okay, by saying this, I will start today's lesson. So as usual, GK, a substance that contains only one type of atom. A substance that contains only one type of atom is called what? Yes, you are all right. It is an element. So element contains only one kind of atom. Okay. So what is a mixture? So you must know what is mixture. Mixtures are constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter known as substances. Mixture is a constituted. Constituted is nothing but formed or make up or composed. Okay, so formed by. So mixtures are formed by more than one kind of pure form of matter. It is a combination of two or more substances at any proportion, not equal proportions. Okay, it's called substances. And we cannot able to separate substances by physical process. A substance cannot be separated into other kind of matter by any physical process. So a substances, we cannot able to separate those substances into another kind of pure matter by physical process. We cannot able to separate. We know that dissolved sodium chloride can be separated from water. So dissolved sodium chloride is nothing but seawater. Okay, it can be separated from water by the physical process of evaporations. So you might be observed that some places they used to store the water, seawater, and they will allow that water to evaporate. So after evaporate, what happened? Dissolved sodium chloride will get sodium chloride because the water will get evaporated and will get sodium chloride. And however, sodium chloride is itself a substance and cannot be separated by physical process into its chemical constituents. So however, whatever it may be, we can able to separate dissolved form of sodium chloride into sodium chloride. But however, sodium chloride is a substance. Am I right? So we cannot able to separate sodium chloride into its constituent chemical constituents. Okay. So similarly, sugar is a substance because it contains only one kind of pure matter and its composition is same throughout. So sugar is another substance. Sugar is also one substance. So it because it contains only one kind of substance and the composition also same throughout. And next one is soft drink and soil. Soft drink and soil are not a single substances. Soft drink and soil are not a single substances. And whatever the source of a substance may be, whatever the source of substances may be. So soft drink is different, soil is different, but it will always have the same characteristic properties. So it has the same characteristics property. So therefore, we can say that mixtures contain more than one substance. So long what we are discussing about mixtures. So mixtures not contain only one kind of substances. It contains more than one kind of substances. For that example, sodium chloride and sugar, soft drink, soil, those will be those are examples of mixtures. Okay, so next one is types of mixtures. So there are two types of mixtures. There are two types of mixtures: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So how many types of mixtures? There are two types of mixture. One is homogeneous mixture and another one is heterogeneous mixture. And homogeneous, the first one is homo. Homo means one. Okay. So homogeneous mixture. So these are the types of mixtures in which the components mixed uniformly. So the components mixed uniformly distributed throughout the mixture. So homogeneous, these are types of mixtures in which what happens in this components mixed uniformly. So not one is more, one is less, not like that. It is the components of mixture is uniformly mixed. So distributed uniformly throughout. So in other words, they are uniform throughout. So another word what? They are uniform throughout. Okay. And we can observe only one phase of matter in a homogeneous mixture. So we can observe only one phase of matter will be there in that homogeneous mixture. And some key points regarding such mixture, or some key points regarding this homogeneous mixture. What are those key points? Just listen. Particles are distributed uniformly. The first one is particles are distributed uniformly. So not one particle is more, not one particle is less. So it is uniformly mixed. Okay. And we cannot judge a homogeneous mixture by just seeing it. We cannot able to judge by just seeing it whether it is homogeneous or how much it is proportion. All those things we cannot able to judge by seeing its solution. And homogeneous mixtures are called solutions. Homogeneous mixtures we can call it as solutions also. So homogeneous mixtures are also called solutions. And uniform composition. Uniform composition. Okay, so homogeneous mixture is nothing but the components, mixtures in which the components are mixed uniformly throughout. Okay, and homogeneous mixtures we can call it as solutions also. And uniform composition. So examples of homogeneous mixture is sugar in water. Sugar in water. We can able to judge by seeing. We cannot able to judge by seeing it. Okay. And next one is heterogeneous mixture. Next one is heterogeneous mixture. This is a type of mixture in which all the components are completely mixed and all the particles can be seen under a microscope. So key points regarding this type of mixture is particles are distributed. So heterogeneous, hetero means different. It is not uniform composition. It is not arranged uniformly. Okay, and what are the key points regarding this heterogeneous mixture? Particles are distributed non-uniformly. So in the case of heterogeneous, what happened? Particles are distributed uniformly. In the case of heterogeneous, what happened? The particles are arranged not uniformly. Okay, and we can judge a heterogeneous mixture by just seeing it. We can able to judge the particular substance is heterogeneous just by seeing it. Okay, and non-uniform composition. And non-uniform composition, example is oil and water. The mixture of oil and water, if we see, by seeing itself we can able to say this is heterogeneous mixture. And if we dissolve sugar in water, so by seeing it we can able to judge, we cannot able to judge. Okay, so today we have discussed about mixtures and its types. So mixture is nothing but combination of two or more substances. There are two types of mixtures: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means only one, the particles arranged uniformly throughout. Heterogeneous means the particle not arranged uniformly. Okay, and some key points also we have discussed. So in homogeneous, what happens? By seeing, we cannot able to judge whether given substances is homogeneous or heterogeneous. But in the case of heterogeneous, we can able to judge by seeing itself. And in the case of homogeneous, it is a uniform composition. Heterogeneous, it is a non-uniform composition. Homogeneous mixture example, sugar and water. Okay, sugar in water. And heterogeneous, oil in water. Okay. So in the next class I will explain you about solution. Until then, bye bye children.